Welcome to the part 1 of Ministry of Defense Assistant Director paper of the year 2019. Opposite in meaning to fend is encourage. Opposite in meaning to benevolent is malevolent. Opposite in meaning to efficacious is useless. Opposite in meaning to yielding is obdurate. Brief legal. Choose the similar pair. Formula mathematical. Complain carp. Choose the similar pair. Drink guzzle. Deplete innervate. Choose the similar pair. Exhaust enfeeble. Numismatist coins. Choose the similar pair. Philatelist stems. Similar in meaning to atrophy is waste away. Similar in meaning to voluminous is huge. Similar in meaning to chronicle is record. Similar in meaning to tractable is amenable. Read the following passage and answer the questions 13 to 16 accordingly. It is difficult to reconcile the ideas of different schools of thought on the question of education. Some people maintain that pupils at school should concentrate on a narrow range of subjects which will benefit them directly in their subsequent careers. Others contend that they should study a wide range of subjects so that they will have not only the specialized knowledge necessary for the chosen career, but also sound general knowledge about the world they will have to live and work in. Supporters of the first theory state that the greatest contributions to civilizations are made by those who are most expert in their trade or profession. Those on the other side say that unless they have had broad general education, the experts will be too narrow in their outlook to have sympathy with their fellows or a proper sense of responsibility toward humanity as a whole. A suitable title for the passage would be Two Views on Education. The first school of thought believes students should study only a few subjects. The two schools are hard to reconcile because they are contradictory. Students with broad-based knowledge would be more aware of their responsibility towards others. Choose the best pair to complete the sentence. Dash by long queues and bad weather, the voters dashed their way to the polling station any way they could. Undaunted by long queues, the voters made. Complete the sentence correctly. When the new artists started work, it was discovered that they could not make dash what to do. They could not make out what to do. Complete the sentence correctly. The man driving the truck would not admit he had been at fault and dash, and neither would the other driver. Jamal dashed his head in shame, hung his head in shame. Read the following passage and answer the questions 21 to 26 accordingly. Flower A, flower B, flower C, flower D are four different categories of flowers distinguished according to their blooming seasons such that flower A and flower B bloom in winter and summer. Flower C and flower D bloom in autumn and spring. Flower B and flower C bloom in spring and winter. Flower A and flower D bloom in summer and autumn. Which flower blooms in autumn, winter and summer? Flower A. Which flower blooms in autumn, winter and spring? Flower C. Which flower blooms in spring, winter and summer? Flower B. Which flower does not bloom in spring? Flower A. Which flower does not bloom in summer? Flower C. Which flower bloom in spring and summer both? Flower B and D. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.